Hello traders, welcome to Trading BKS. So today is another session on the KOSC stock market. Remember last week I said that I will do a short video, to complement what I discussed previously on the steel industry. I didn't manage to add into the Sunday video because Sunday video I don't want to make it too long. So before I start, this video is strictly my personal opinion and not intended for personal advice. I share this video for education purpose only. This is not signal or advice for you to buy and sell the stock or forex. Trading is risky business and I will not be liable for any losses generated by this video. Okay, last week I talked about the long term, FD, right? Asia and Genting, right? So actually Asia from that day, on the discussion day, the price actually dropped. The price actually dropped, give us another opportunity to buy. Of course, that day when we discussed, I didn't say when is the best price to buy, right? Because this is a long-term investment. Okay, Asia is long-term investment. Okay, the actual flight, once the vaccine come out, the actual airplane will take flight. I think all the tourism will only start after the vaccine. Okay, after the vaccine, we're talking about next year. So this one definitely, if you want to generate a good income, right? If I want to generate good income, I have to wait until next year. Okay, I cannot. This one cannot. Of course, you can sell. Of course, as I said, Asia already made 50%. Okay, if happy with 50%, go ahead and sell. But for me, okay, I want to look for long term. Okay, my long term target, as I said, is 1.65. Is 1 ringgit 65 cent. Why is 1.65? Because 1.65 is the price. Okay, before COVID, it's last year price. Okay, 2019 price. Okay, before COVID, this is the price. Okay, so after COVID start, the price dropped to 50 cent lowest. Now the price is gaining momentum, going up because of the vaccine. Okay, this used to be a long-term investment because the vaccine come out early. So this is a good time to invest. Okay, for me, I think it's a good time to invest. Okay, if you see now there is a bad condition, right, in Europe. Okay, there's another strain coming out, a new strain coming out from Europe that the vaccine not guaranteed will work. Okay, they haven't tested yet. Okay, some say it will work, some say it won't. We don't know yet. And there's another. I heard another from South Africa, another strain from South Africa that they haven't confirmed whether it works or not. Okay, the vaccine works or not, and it's very contagious. Means it actually can infect faster. Okay, probably by air, by just air transmission. We don't know. Okay, but this is a now there's a second wave. Okay, second wave, second type of strain that's much more contagious and much more dangerous. Okay, they label it as dangerous. But anyway, because today our ministry say we are already acquired how many 80% of the uh, in top to acquire 80% of the vaccine, right? So everybody is positive. You can see all the market oil is positive. When the airplane going to fly, of course oil is positive, right? Oil is positive, steel is positive. So we just talk about the Asia first. Asia, you see a big candle, right? I said if you want to buy stock, right? The stock already go up. You have to wait for red candle, then a big green candle, right, to buy. Okay, red. So this is what happened. Okay, red, big green candle. Hopefully it will continue. Okay, if this one it cannot continue because due to the worst infection. Okay, infection has European the dangerous contagious infection has has spread global, then this one might drop. Okay, so this one if I buy also I will look for long term and I would not put the stop loss so near. Okay, if you want to trade, the stop loss is here. Okay, if I buy as a short term, okay, the stop loss is at 0.67. Okay, 76. Okay, so if long term, if you want to invest long term, okay, treat it as a FD. So the stop loss will be 0.69. Okay, because this one is a support over here, right? Support over here. Okay, Okay, the support. So this is a trend line. So actually, the price actually trying to bounce from the trend line. Okay. Okay, there's one support here, one support here. Okay, if break this one, hold at this. Okay, 6 9. If also break 6 9, then no choice, have to cut. Okay, in trading, as I said, in trading, right, you have to know when to cut and when to take profit. Okay, this is the most important thing. A lot of investors, okay, they don't know how to take profit. They wait until the price drop down. Okay, then only they want to take profit. It's too late. Some they don't know how to cut loss. Okay, they think the price. They think, so don't think. Okay, look at the chart. The chart tell you it's time to cut. That's it. Don't think. I think that if you rebound, I think like the glove. Everybody think it will rebound, right? Of course, it might rebound. Okay, but when, okay, do you want to take the risk? What if you are holding at top glove? Okay, you're holding at $9 or $9. Okay, drop to 7, drop to 8. You say you hope it will rebound. Drop to 7, you hope it will rebound. Now drop to 6, you hope it will rebound. What if it doesn't rebound? Okay, so set a cut loss, set an entry. When you enter to a stock, make sure already set your cut loss where you want to cut loss. Okay, if you don't know how to cut loss, don't know where to cut loss, don't enter. But this is my advice. Okay, other guru teach you, I mean other online or other class teach you how they teach you, I don't know. Okay, but for me, if I can't see a exit point, I won't go in. Okay, that's simply just like that, because I don't want to hope 9 ringgit, hope 8 ringgit, 8 ringgit, hope rebound 9, drop to 7, 7, I hope rebound, drop to 6, 6, hope to rebound 5, hope to rebound, then up to what? Okay, just like Bintai. Okay, cut. If you don't cut, you see what's the Bintai now? What happened to Bintai? Okay, even though, okay, I supported the Bintai, I say it will go up. Okay, but it didn't go up, so what happened? Cut. Okay, I also have to cut, so there's no choice. So this one, okay, so if you buy, okay, if I want to buy here, I will hold it until 1.6. Okay, because this is long term. Okay, but as I said, no guarantee, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, the second infection, second wave, the second new strain might crash the market down. Okay, if the crash down, too bad. Okay, cut loss. Okay, then we talk about Genting also today. I talk about Genting long term, right? Genting, this is 50%, right? 50% from here to here, right? I said it's already 50%. If you're happy to take 50%, just take and go. Okay, because you see the price coming down. If you haven't, okay, if I haven't go in, so this is another opportunity to buy. Okay, to add. If it drops down, too bad. Okay, if it goes up, okay, this is another window for us to get. As I said, price doesn't go up all the way. If you come down, if you take a brief, okay, you reach certain support resistance area, it will come down for us, another opportunity to grab the stock. Okay, so there's always first opportunity, the best, second opportunity, and the third is dangerous. Okay, don't go for the third, because always the third wave is short-lived. First wave, second wave is long, third wave is short-lived. So be careful when you are buying the third wave. Okay, let's talk about Genting. We make it very quick. We're going to have holiday, right, soon. Okay, Genting, you see another drop. Okay, it's 4.7. Okay, now it really dropped down to 4.5, right? 4.5. Previously it dropped to here, 4.2. Okay, for Genting, if buy, okay, the stop loss is here. Okay, stop loss is below 4.22. Okay, 5 to 10% below 4.22 is the stop loss. Okay. Genting, my target will be 5.6. Okay, around 5.6, because this was a value before COVID. Okay, this is the actual value. 5.6 to 6.275 is the value before COVID. Okay, I do expect the price can go up higher. Okay, 6.29 actually I expect here, but here is a safe. Okay, here is the lowest point, lowest point before COVID. Okay, this is the high point before COVID is 6.27. I expect it will go to 6.27 because look at this. Okay, a bit of training. Okay, double bottom, right? Okay, double bottom breaks, come back down. Okay, it will travel the same length of the neckline. Okay, same length. Okay, so somewhere here to here. Okay, no guarantee, but this is the, you can go online and search in double bottom. Okay, this is how people trade stock. This is how uh, all the famous guru, how they trade, they use chart pattern. Okay, most of them, the famous one in the 80s who make a lot of money too. The most famous Dan Sanger. Okay, the most famous stock guy who turned 2 million. Okay, in tens of thousand, he used 20,000, I think, turns to million. Okay, he used chart pattern. So this is a chart pattern. Okay, for me, I use chart pattern and I use candlestick pattern too. Okay, candlestick pattern is what I said that day. Okay, piercing line. Okay, engulfing candle. All these I use this type. So you see the chart pattern. This one. Okay, long term target could be here. Okay, but make it safe. Okay, for shorter term, because here, okay, it's a safe point to exit. Okay, let's look at leader still. Okay, so leader still, the price actually that day I talked about here, right? Okay, don't chase the high. Okay, don't chase the high. Wait for the price to come down. So you see all the green, all the red candle. Suddenly a big green candle. Okay, this green candle. Okay, there is two. If I buy this green candle, there is two target. Okay, the first target is 8.4. Okay, the first target, of course, is here. Okay, the top of the previous high. Okay, if it can break 8.4, okay, aim for 9.2, and if it can break 9.2, aim for 9.85. Okay, if the price actually cannot, okay, it comes to here. Okay, it kick back down. Okay, then sell. Okay, means the moment, this one got no momentum to break up. Okay, if it got momentum to break up, the price, okay, come here, then it can hold above here, then we are looking for higher to this price. Okay, and of course the stop loss will be here. Okay, the stop loss will be below all this low. Okay, 6.2. Oh, there's a lot. 7.5. Stop loss 6.2. It is quite a lot. To be safer, let me see 1 hour whether we got a safer stop loss or not. Okay, it's 6.35. Okay, so the stop loss will be around 6.35. Or if you want to make it safer, okay, below 6.8. Okay, below 6.8. If make it safer. Okay, below 6.8. If the price came back down below 6.8, okay, came back down below 6.8, so cut loss. Okay, means the price means it doesn't have momentum to continue. and the Malaysia steel already went too far, so there's no point to catch. So I will not talk about the Malaysia steel. So now we talk about Heptech. Okay, Heptech has not gone too far. Okay, have not gone too far. If buy Heptech, okay, the first target is 5.3. Okay, 5.3. If you can go above 5.3, you look for 5.9. 5.9 can hold 5.9. Okay, still can break 6.2 and 6.9. Okay, these are the target that I will be looking at. Okay, but I hope you will go for 6.9. Okay, my main target is 6.9, but as I said, okay, trading, you see the price already come here. Okay, 5.3, it cannot break. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, it's coming down. You can see 5 to 10 after it reach 5.35, you can see it comes down like 10%. Okay, then it cannot break. And this one also 5.9, because 5.9 you cannot break, maybe you want to sell. Okay, but my long term is 6.9, 0.69. Okay, 0.69. Okay, 0.53, if it can break, aim for 0.59. If 0.59 can break, aim for 0.625. If 0.625 can break, aim for 0.69. Okay, so this is a quick one. Okay, remember to share my video and also like my video. Okay, don't forget to share it with your friends, and also uh, hit the bell. Okay, so you get a notification. And another thing is, remember to subscribe. Okay, share it with your friend, ask your friends to subscribe. Okay, so that YouTube can help me to promote this video, so more people can learn from this education video. Okay, so stay safe from COVID, and bye bye.